Most beginners don't lose money because they pick bad stocks. They lose money because they break one rule. If you're new to investing and it feels like everyone is winning except you, this is where things usually go wrong. In 2026, most beginners will lose money for one reason: they chase hype instead of building a system. And if I were starting today with just $100, I'd do this very differently. Today, I'll show you the exact plan I'd follow with just $100 if my goal was real wealth over the next 3 to 5 years. The big problem: why people lose. Most people think investing is about finding the perfect stock. But the truth is, investing is about avoiding the big mistakes. Here are the 3 mistakes that destroy beginners. Buying random stocks because they're trending. Panic selling after a small drop. Investing with no plan and no rules. The market doesn't punish you for being wrong. It punishes you for being emotional. The mindset shift. This makes you different. So here's the mindset shift that changes everything. You don't need to predict the market. You need to build a portfolio that survives any market. If you want results, you need a system that works when prices go up, prices crash, and when nothing happens. That's how real wealth is built. The 3-bucket portfolio, simple plus powerful. Here's the plan. If I had $100 to start investing in 2026, I would split it into 3 buckets. Bucket 1, the foundation, 70%. This is where most of your money should go. A broad market ETF like the S&P 500. Why? Because it gives you instant diversification, and you're investing in the biggest companies in the world. This bucket is not for excitement. It's for winning long-term. Bucket 2, the stabilizer, 20%. This is your defensive layer. A dividend ETF or a high-quality income ETF. This helps your portfolio stay strong during volatile periods and keeps you consistent. Bucket 3, the growth shot, 10%. This is where you can pick one high-growth stock, but only one rule: you must be able to hold it for 3 years without panic selling. Because if you can't hold through volatility, you shouldn't buy it. The rule that beats 90% of people now. Listen carefully. This one rule matters more than all the stocks combined. Invest every week, even if it's a small amount. Most people invest only when they feel confident. But confidence usually comes at the top. Winners invest on a schedule. Losers invest on emotions. Let me be real with you. This strategy won't turn $100 into $10,000 overnight, but it can turn you into the type of investor who wins for life. Because wealth isn't built from one lucky trade. It's built from consistency. If you do this for 12 months, you'll be ahead of most people. If you do it for 3 years, you'll surprise yourself. And here's what I would avoid in 2026 as a beginner: trading with high leverage, buying stocks just because someone tweeted it, jumping in after a stock is already up 200%, selling good investments because of fear. Your goal isn't to win every day. Your goal is to still be here in 5 years. Here, I'm documenting how beginners can grow step by step. This is rule number 1. Break it, and nothing else matters. Rule number 2 is coming next, and most traders violate it daily. Subscribe if you want simple market education, no hype. If you want my weekly watch list and simple market breakdowns, subscribe and comment start, and I'll make a full beginner investing series.